Hello everyone, I hope you all are well and making progress in life. Here is Priyanshu and welcome to the Infinity Mind. So today I will be solving the problem max consecutive ones. So the problem states that we are given a binary array nums. Binary array means we are just having the elements 1 or 0 and we need to return the maximum number of consecutive ones in the array. So in the example we can see that we are given this nums array and we have to return the maximum consecutive one. So we can see the maximum consecutive one, we can see here is 3 consecutive ones are there. So we have to just return this 3. So how we can do this? It's a very easy question. So I'm taking the same example, 110 111 0 111. So what I will do, it's a very easy question. A very easy question. What I will do, I will use two variables, current count and max count. So my current count, and I will store the max count. Max count will tell me how many maximum consecutive ones are there, and current count will tell me how many ones are currently in my what I say in my window. All right, so starting from here, so here current count is, let's say, 0, max count is also 0. So starting here, is this element 1? Yes, current count is increased to 1. Is this now moving ahead? And yes, every time after updating my current count I will also update my max count. Now moving ahead, is my element 1? Yes, I will say my current count is also increased to 1. Alright, now I will update my max count also. Next, my element is 0, ith element is 0. Now the window is broken, so I would say that my current count is now reset to 0. My current count is now reset to 0. Now again I will move I, so now my current count is increased to 1 and max count is also updated. Now current count is increased to 2, again current count is increased to 3, and this time max count will be also updated with 3. Now I will go out of bound, so we can see the max count we have found till now is of 3, and this is the answer also. So this was a very easy question. We just need to keep track of the current consecutive ones and the maximum count. So, and whenever we found an element 0, we can say that we need to reset our current count because our new window is going to start. So if I implement this, nothing, just a 2-minute thing that we have to just say that n is nums of size, and we need to keep track of current count. This will be 0 initially, and we need to keep track of the maximum count. This will also be 0 initially, and I will run a, let's say, for loop, and this will start from 0 and go to end. And now every time if any element I have got, let's say it's 1, so I would say that increase my current count, and yes, don't forget to update my maximum count. All right, every time. Now if in the else case, if the nums of I is 0, I will just reset my current count to 0. Alright, and at the last I need to return the maximum number of consecutive ones, that is maximum count. So I will simply say that return the maximum count. If I submit this directly, so I can say that we have now solved this problem successfully. And if I tell you the time and space complexity, so we are iterating once to the whole array, so time complexity is big O of 1, and space complexity, we are not using any space, we are just using two variables, and that will be space complexity big O of 1. So this was all about this problem. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching. Till then, keep learning and keep upgrading yourself. See you in the next video.